very happy to meet Marco Thiess, now representing Fischer Group. You are an architect from your background, when I remember that correctly, but you are also, let's call it, and that is really positively formulated, a digital guy, knowing everything about prop tech. And that's why it's so interesting to talk with you a little bit and to chat with you a little bit. So my first question is, when you look at the industry, at the construction industry, what do you see there now going on in terms of innovation, in terms of digital business models, and also in terms of collaboration, meaning in terms of ecosystem activities? Can you just give us a flavor about your perspective on these issues?
Yeah. Hi, I'm Marco. The construction industry is changing a lot the next years. We need to be much more faster. The construction industry, there are a lot of stakeholders, and all the stakeholders have different interests and are on different levels. One of the site workers are digitalization very fit, and other site workers are in the knowledge of digitalization is very low, and we need to bring it at one step. In the past 2 or 3 years, I see a lot of startups are growing in the construction industry because we need the change. We need to be much more faster.
Can you let us know a little bit more about, first of all, what is Fischer Group doing in that context? And what is your current role? And once again, linking that to the question before, so what are your topics in terms of digital innovation and ecosystems when you link that to the activities you are currently running within Fischer Group?
Fischer Group is a company, German Mittelstand, located in the very nice Black Forest in south of Germany. And we have different departments, and our biggest department is Fischer Fixing Systems. It's a world market-leading company for fixing system and fastening systems. And now I'm building up the innovation lab worldwide. We founded a small innovation lab in China, because China is a very growing market and very important market for Fischer, and Italy also. And so I'm building up the innovation team and to find new business solutions. And we are building some MVPs, prototypes for new business solutions, because we want to grow our turnover, of course. And we see a lot of opportunities in digitalization and new business models. And we are investing in some startups.
Maybe one ultimate additional question. Now we are standing in front of the blue stage here at Bits and Pretzels, where now Miele is hosting a whole afternoon. Do you see also their connections to the smart home issue, like Miele is like planning and acting, or is construction not? Is it separated to smart home and smart devices? Or is that in the future, is it even more linked when we talk about refurnishing issues, and like that you also have to think about smart while constructing houses or while renovating houses? Is that the future, or is it too far, or is it already there? So what is the smart home and construction issue? How do you see that?
Yeah, of course. Smart buildings, you call it smart buildings in construction industry. It's growing a lot, but sometimes we need to keep it simple. Sometimes things they are growing too complex in the future, and we have a lot of new opportunities, but sometimes we need to keep it simple. But smart buildings, of course, and the sustainability and circularity is very important in the industry, of course.
Thank you, Marco, for this conversation.